ಆ ಯಲ್ಲಾಪುರದ ಬಂಡೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ನೋಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಫೇಮಸ್ ಜಾಗ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಮನ್.
ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಓವರ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. So this one clump is there, this one, another clump. This is the second species of this Caralluma that I saw around Bangalore, and this one I am seeing for the first time only. Very, very beautiful plants, but flowers are not open. So at the edge of a rock, little bit substrate is there here, and the water also flows when it rains like that. So here one clump has come, that one, and second clump is there little bit upstream. Third one is there, that one, and then fourth one is having very interesting location, that is that. It is overhanging that rock and looking more dried than the other specimens. It is getting less water. So if the water is a bit more, it is fatter and nicer and flowers off. ಅರಳಿದು ಹೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಮೊಗ್ಗು ಮಾತ್ರ.